Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about premium decay, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want to be coached personally by Ernie himself, click the link in the description where you can find Ernie's trading service. Enjoy guys.
What we're looking at in our positions on a butterfly or any position. When you're looking at thinkorswim or any other tool that's showing you a risk graph, it's typically showing you the two things, which actually represent the same thing, but in different time frames. In thinkorswim, you see this kind of cyan triangle when you have a butterfly. And when you have a vertical, it looks more like a parallelogram. But that triangle there is a risk graph, and it's showing you the amount of profit that you would have at different price points, the price points being along the x-axis, and then the amount of profit up and down. So you can see on the left I have 0, and then positive profit above 0 and negative profit below. So depending on where your position is, that would really determine how much profit you have. Now I know that this is all kind of elementary stuff, but it's super important as we go forward. What you're looking at here is two different situations in terms of profitability. On the right is high volatility, on the left is low volatility. Let's assume that this is, say, noontime during the day, and right now we have relatively low volatility, so it's going to look more like the guy on the left where there's already advanced premium decay. So in other words, your magenta line in your P&L or your risk graph is very bulbous, and it looks like it's filled up your strategy. What that represents is the premium decay. Now, important thing to point out is the magenta line, that is your real-time P&L, and the cyan line, that is your at expiration P&L, represent the exact same strategy, but just at different times. The triangular thing that you're looking at with the butterfly, that cyan line, is your butterfly at expiration. So that's what your P&L is going to look like at the end of the day at 4 o'clock. The magenta line is the same exact strategy, but it's right now. And as premium is decaying, it is growing and growing until it fits in and fills that at expiration, and it becomes that at 4 o'clock. So that's an important thing. Now, you can see that as it's growing and growing, that the slope of the real-time P&L is going to change. It's going to change from flat to something very steep. And if you remember, I said gamma is really the sensitivity to price. And that sensitivity to price is, in fact, that steepness of that real-time P&L. And that's going to be steeper at the end of the day. And that's what we're looking to capture. So here's the thing, and the reason why I brought up the high volatility versus low volatility. In a high volatility environment, that premium decay has been slowed down. It's been delayed. And so on a 0 DTE day, you'll find that you'll get into, in the afternoon, say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and your real-time P&L is still super, super flat. And you might be wondering, well, hey, what the hell's going on here? I've been inside of this butterfly and it's not really paying, and the price is moving all over the place. What am I going to do? And that's a stark realization for a lot of retail traders that aren't familiar with doing 0 DTE trades in different volatility environments. That's the rate of decay that is pushing that reality that it hasn't decayed yet. It hasn't released. So this is looking at the life of an options contract, a weekly options contract as it's approaching 0 DTE, and each column represents a day in that life. And then the magenta line is the real-time P&L decaying, the decay rate. So in the beginning it has 100% potential, and then over the course of each day it starts decaying and decaying, and as it gets closer to the 0 DTE, that decay rate starts to increase. Now that's a very normalized view that I'm showing here. Actually, let's show you the true normalized view right here. So it's decaying, and as each day 2 DTE, then 1 DTE, and 0 DTE, you can see the amount of decay starts increasing geometrically. And it's very clear to see here that on that very last day, the decay rate is really incredible. That's one of the reasons why we love 0 DTE, because we have all that premium to collect on that last day.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable 0 DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care guys.